We gon' burn it down. Burn it down. We gon' burn it down. Burn it down. I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder.
I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker.
Show them. Change the station with a new shit. Show them. Change the station with a new shit. Change the station. Change the station. Change the station with a new shit. With a new shit. Change the station. Change the station. Change the station with a new shit. With a new shit.
It's murder. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker.
I killed it. I killed it. I killed it.
I killed it, it's murder.
Show them.
So yeah, hello everyone, this is Biker390 and yes, I'm finally back on YouTube. So yeah, I was absent from YouTube from the past couple of months, I guess 4 months. The reason behind, there was no special reason, just I didn't feel like uploading any videos, and also I didn't do much rides and all. So now it is time to be back, and this video is very special because I'm going to show you the change in my life, that is from the last 2 months. All the bikes which I had in my garage are wrapped completely. We needed a change, so yeah, without much talk, I'll just show you the bikes. You all just saw the cinematics at the start. I'll just briefly describe you what is the wrap and from where did I do it and for how much did it cost me. So yeah, let's get started. So firstly, let's begin with the Duke390. As you all know, it was the mighty beefed up muscular Duke390, the orange tank, which I got from Autolook Design. So they got an update as well. The earlier model used to be known as Street X. This is the Street X2. You all can see the tank panels are a little bit thinner. You can see from both the sides. And yeah, it was black and orange previously. I'll post a picture somewhere over here, and you can also check out them on my Instagram. Then I decided to wrap it because you all know black and orange KTMs are too common now. So let's give it a change. What better color than this? Chrome, blue chrome. It's one of my favorite colors. As you can see, it's wrapped beautifully. The tank, the Autolook panels, the mudguard, the rear belly. And yeah, if you want this kit, you can buy it from Autolook Design. You can search them on Instagram. Pretty good. For the old Duke model, looks good from the front as well. So other changes I did was I painted the rims. The rims are quite dirty because I washed the bike and then it started raining, so bear with me. The rims are black and the handlebar is also black. The other things like these, everything is black. Only I kept the frame to be orange because I wanted some of the orange to be there from the stock, because the 390 comes with orange frame and the 200 comes with black, so I didn't want people to name it as Duke 200. So yeah, this was the first bike. here comes my baby Blaze, the Ninja1000. You can see this is my favorite so far, the black chrome. In the video you might not get the wrap color properly, but it's a black chrome. It shines when the sun falls on it. You can see the shine over here. You can see my reflection. You can see the tank. It's a bit dirty because of the rains, and even if you wash it, it's still dirty. Just look at the shine over here. Just love this color. It was inspired by its elder sibling, the H2, one of my favorite bikes, and I decided to go with it. Looks lovely, right? Yeah. And don't worry, I'll make more videos of the wrap now, proper walk around and all. Also, you all can see that the exhausts are stock again. As you all know, I had Acropovic megaphones, but what happened was I changed the headers. You can see the headers are not stock anymore. So yeah, with what happened was, with the full system headers and the Acra megaphones, the exhaust got too loud. It was unbearably loud. So I wanted a new one, but the new one is taking too long. I ordered a new exhaust. You'll come to know in the upcoming videos. So I put the stock mufflers back. Stay tuned for the new exhaust. Even I am waiting since long, I guess more than 3 months now. So let's get to the third bike, which I know you all will love it. So here comes the mighty beast, the 10R. So yeah, the original color was the KRT, Kawasaki Racing Team, black, green. So we decided to wrap it in the anniversary edition, the 30th anniversary edition, which Kawasaki had launched in 2015, I guess. 14 or 13, yeah, 13 I guess. So it's not fully wrapped, we just wrapped the fairings, a small portion over here, and the rear part, tail, and we also got a seat cowl for this. Looks good now. Not much change, but it looks amazing. Something different than the usual 10Rs out there. Just look at, I just love this bike looks, man. Look at them too. Look at all three of them. Amazing, right? So that was it for today's video. I'm sure you all love the wrap. Also comment down below which is your favorite of all three of them. My favorite is obviously the Duke, because it's my first bike and you all know the attachment with the first bike. And yeah, comment down which one do you like. And yeah, I'll be regular from now onwards. I'll try to upload at least one video in a week and keep you guys entertained. So yeah, sorry for not uploading videos on YouTube, but now it's time for a change. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.